What should I do if my Apple gift card doesn't work in my wallet?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you've ever encountered issues with an Apple gift card not working in your wallet, you're not alone. But don't worry, we've got your back. In this video, we'll walk you through some easy steps you can take to resolve this issue and get your gift card up and running.
Checking the basics.
Sometimes, it's the simplest things that can cause an issue. Firstly, ensure that the gift card is activated. Some gift cards need to be activated by the retailer before they can be used. Secondly, make sure you are entering the card details correctly. It can be easy to mistake certain letters or numbers for others, especially on a small screen. Lastly, ensure that your Apple Wallet app is updated to the latest version. Occasionally, older versions of the app might have bugs or issues that prevent gift cards from being added properly.
Is the gift card region-specific?
Apple gift cards can be region-specific, meaning they may not work if you're trying to use them outside the region they were intended for. If your gift card was purchased in a different region or country than your Apple ID is registered to, it might not work. If this is the case, you may need to contact Apple support for assistance.
Restarting your device.
If the above checks don't resolve your issue, it might be worth restarting your device. It sounds simple, but you'd be surprised how many issues can be resolved with a quick reset.
Contacting Apple support.
If you've tried all the above steps and your gift card still doesn't work, it's time to contact Apple support. They can help diagnose any potential issues and provide assistance. To contact Apple support, go to the Apple support website or open the Apple support app. Select Apple gift card or Apple Wallet as the product you need help with. Follow the on-screen instructions to get the help you need. We hope that these steps help you to resolve your Apple gift card issue. Remember, these problems can often be fixed with just a few checks or a quick reset of your device. If not, Apple support is there to help. We appreciate you watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.